Hey everyone, it's Erin here and welcome back to another vlog. In about 72 hours, I will be leaving on my first international trip since February. There is a very short list of countries that Americans are currently allowed to travel to, and French Polynesia is on that list. So my friend Leah and I will be traveling to Tahiti for about 2 weeks. I know that traveling in general during this pandemic is super controversial, but Tahiti is COVID free and they are enforcing these super strict travel protocols to even get into the country. So just to make sure I say all of the travel protocol correctly, I'm just going to read it from the Air Tahiti's website. So you need a proof of a negative COVID test carried out within 3 days prior to your international air departure. That would be this morning. So I'm waiting for Leah to drive over to my house from Santa Barbara. It's 6:48 a.m. by the way. Then we're going to drive to Beverly Hills together to a couple different testing sites and get that done this morning so that the results will come back in time for our flight. You need to complete the EDIS online health document and obtain a receipt authorization to travel. So the last thing you need is travel insurance. And of course, the whole time we're traveling, we're gonna be social distancing and wearing face masks, washing our hands, practicing good hygiene, and just trying to travel as safe as possible. My whole thought process is that if I'm COVID free and the country that I'm traveling to is COVID free, then as long as I'm practicing safe travel procedures, why not try to get their tourism industry started again? So anyway, I thought in this video I would just share with you all the ways that I am preparing for my trip to Tahiti. First thing on the agenda is to go get that COVID test. I've never gotten a COVID test before, so I'm really curious to see what that's even like, and hopefully it'll be insightful for you guys if you're unsure of the whole process as well. We've got a busy day ahead of us to prep for Tahiti. All right, let's do this. Alright, so I'm in the car with Leah.
Hi!
She's actually never been in a vlog before, but we've been on a ton of trips together. We've been to like Sri Lanka and Hawaii and
Indonesia.
Yeah, so we're gonna be traveling around Tahiti together, so you'll see a lot of this girl. We're a little early at the testing site, so we're filling out all of our paperwork. We've got this.
All these whales.
Oh, I have so many whales
room.
stuff.
Like
Yeah.
you had like giant stuffed animal and all these like posters.
I have like whale erasers. I'm a whale shark obsessed.
So funny. I don't have like whales in Tahiti. Like it's
I
like,
hope. Just waiting.
Erin almost crashed her car trying to turn into the parking spot.
Don't tell them that.
Okay, that's for you. That's for me. Okay, everyone, you open from one side, okay? That's a swap.
This is gross, you guys.
Okay.
You got it, you passed the test.
Yay!
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
Thank you.
You too.
Okay, next place.
That was super easy, you guys. We did our first test. Now we're gonna drive to another clinic to get another test just to be sure that we get our results in time.
This address. Sorry, no swearing in the vlog.
Okay, we're at the second testing site, and now we're gonna get a nasal test.
Quick lesson. I'm going to be swabbing each side. I have to go up a little far. It's very unpleasant, but it's quick, okay?
Okay.
Maybe 5 seconds each nasal.
Okay.
Okay? You want to go first? I need to ask.
I can go first.
Okay, I'm
Okay, let me
scared now.
help you with your mask.
Okay.
We're going up, okay? Right there. Okay? All right, one more, okay?
Was it bad? Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Have your label.
Actual tears came out.
Uh-oh, I'm scared now.
It may make you want to sneeze.
Yeah,
cough, and you're definitely
it's
gonna-
more like
your
a
eyes are
sneezing
definitely gonna water.
sensation. That's why. It's not like it was painful.
Oh my gosh,
like
I'm
you need to
scared
sneeze.
now.
No, you're fine. Don't be scared. Leah's turn.
You can do this. One in, okay?
You're great too.
Your birthday's correct?
Hi. Okay, so I'm back home. in my room, and Leah just left to drive back home to Santa Barbara, so I won't see her again until the day of our flight. Right now my room is kind of a mess because I just started putting everything on my bed that I'm thinking of packing for my trip. So I'm gonna finish going through all my things and figuring out what I want to bring with me on the trip. Then I'm gonna lay it out on the bed and then we're gonna organize it. So I'll show you guys once I have all my stuff laid out. This is the suitcase that I'm planning on packing everything in. It's brand new, gifted from Douchebags. Of course, I have all of my camera and video stuff. Luckily, I have Leah coming with me, who is a photographer, so she will be bringing her equipment, so I don't have to go too crazy with mine. So I'll just be bringing my Canon 5D Mark IV, my drone, tripod, microphone, my vlog camera, which I'm holding now, and my GoPro and some of its accessories. And then in these little Aloha pouches, I have various things. This one's just a little first aid kit with some ginger candies to help with motion sickness, Dramamine, Neosporin, Advil, insect repellent. This is Muhi, and it's a Japanese product to help relieve the itch from any bug bites. I never go on any trips without this because I always get bit so much. This big bag is literally full of swimsuits. And during my trip, I plan on wearing a swimsuit for the majority of the time. So I've just got a bunch of swimsuits in this bag. Obviously, we're going to be spending a ton of time in the water, so a face mask is a must. This is what mine looks like. And I really love these vintage diving masks. They just look so good with photos. And then I'm also going to be bringing this snorkel. This bag is full of sunscreen from Sunbum, mineral face sunscreen, aloe vera gel, some SPF 70, and then a spray SPF, and then a mineral chapstick. I'm still trying to figure out which clothes I want to bring, but here are just some pieces so far, but I need to go through my closet and pick out a few really low maintenance outfits. Okay, here's the process so far. I have so much more still to pack and not that much space left over, so I really need to be choosy in what I bring so that I don't overpack. Like always, this is going to be my carry-on bag. It's a little backpack. So in here, I'm just gonna keep my passport. I'm bringing my Japanese passport as well, just in case. I always like to travel with both passports. I'm bringing this mask to wear on the plane. I haven't opened it yet, so it's sanitized. Then I'll bring a journal and a pen, and then a little on the plane toiletries kit, as well as a water bottle. So now that I've done the bulk of my packing, I feel a lot better. I probably won't finalize it until the day of my trip, which is still 3 days away. So I still have a lot of time to figure out this whole situation. So I printed out all of the documents that I need to bring with me to the airport. I have the EDIS online travel document, which I think I need to carry with me at all times in French Polynesia, rental car, booking details. I also have my negative COVID test report, and I also have proof of travel insurance. And then I just went to the bank and got some cash out. I think I got $400 because I'm going to exchange this into Tahitian money when I get to the airport. It's always good to carry paper money with you when you are traveling somewhere that's kind of remote. So I'm gonna put this all into my carry-on bag here, and I feel like that's the most important part of getting ready for my trip. Everything else is pretty easy. Hey guys, so I have no idea how the last couple days flew by so fast, but today is the day that I go to Tahiti. It's currently about 11:30 a.m. I just got back from a quick studio photo shoot in Venice Beach for Skady Swimwear, and I still have about... Someone texted me. Yeah, Leah's just asking what time she should meet me at the house. Basically, we still have about 8 hours until we have to go leave to LAX. So I have the whole day in front of me basically. So my plan is to make a really healthy lunch. I don't like to feel bloated or like I overate at all when I'm traveling, and then I'll probably do a workout, either swim in the pool or just like a HIIT workout on my yoga mat. Those are things that I always like to do on my travel day if I have the time, so that when I'm on the airplane I just feel really good and relaxed. So anyway, I'm a little hungry. I think I'm gonna go downstairs and make a Buddha bowl. So I'll show you how I make a really healthy lunch. Hey guys, I had lunch a little while ago and I have just been doing some computer stuff and digesting, but now I'm gonna go outside and go for a little swim workout, which is my favorite way to work out, especially in the summertime. Just gonna put on my little visor here. It is hot outside. Just gonna go swim some laps. My hibiscus plant is absolutely thriving right now. I really hope that it doesn't dry out when I'm gone for 2 weeks. That would be so sad. I'm gonna really make sure to give it a good soaking right now, actually. So now I'm laying out by the pool with my mom, enjoying this homemade fruit popsicle. I just fill a popsicle mold with coconut water, and then I add some cut peaches, kiwis, strawberries, really whatever you want, and add a little popsicle stick. And you've got a delicious fruit popsicle. Such a perfect summer snack. Hey guys, the time has come. I have everything all packed up. It's really happening now. Oh boy. It's time to go.
I think this is good because we can take a
The
walk.
fam's out here to say bye. But my dad's gonna drive us to the airport. Okay, we're out of here. Off to Tahiti. Bye, Mom. See you in 2 weeks. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for the ride.
You're welcome.
See you in 2 weeks. guys, we're here.
We made it.
We did
made
it.
through.
Woo! I know, it was surprisingly really easy. Basically, the only thing we had to do was wait in line so that we can show all of our COVID paperwork, and then it was a breeze. So we're here, we're early. There's like
Not many
nobody at the airport because they're all at the Air Tahiti Nui gate, which is like over there.
But
So.
we'll be in Tahiti in the morning.
Yeah, we're gonna wake up in Tahiti. All right, whoa, why is this so bright? All right, you guys, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Next time you see me, it will be from Tahiti. Okay, bye.